Are you sad about your 9-5 job, or you're working your whole ass off as if you're not doing your best? Watch this video till the end to cure your worries faster. These are the top 5 most expensive cars in the world. You won't believe the prices cost the same as a jet and are owned by celebrities and rich people. 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. 18.9 million, a tribute to Bugatti's 110th anniversary. This hypercar boasts an 8.0 LW16 engine and 1,500 horsepower. Oh, did I forget to mention the GOAT himself? Cristiano Ronaldo owned one? 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, 14 million. Have you ever seen an advert of a Rolls-Royce on TV? No, because people who buy Rolls-Royce don't have time for TV. The Sweptail is a custom-built luxury coupe with a 6.6L V12 engine and 453 horsepower, inspired by classic Rolls-Royce designs specially. This car is said to be specially designed and owned by Hong Kong-based customer Sam Lee, son of billionaire real estate mogul Samuel Tak Lee. 3. Mercedes-Benz 540K. $12.8 million, a rare 1936 classic car with a 5.4L inline-8 engine and 180 horsepower, restored to its former glory. 4. Maybach Exelero, $8 million. Unless you haven't watched Lost One, a second single from Jay-Z's comeback album Kingdom Come, released on November 21, 2006, and peaked at number 58 on Billboard Hot 100, you may not have known about the Maybach Exelero. This is a custom-built luxury coupe with a 5.9L V12 engine and 700 horsepower, designed by Maybach for Fulda tires and owned by Jay's himself. Isn't that inspiring enough? 5. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, $4.5 million, a limited edition hypercar with a 6.5L V12 engine and 750 horsepower, celebrating Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. If most of this people from a poor background could work their ass off to own things like this, then you can, because they're not better than you. Don't blame people who come from wealthy backgrounds because you don't know what they passed through to create generational wealth. If you don't like your current situation, try to work hard to remove poverty from your life and increase your network of friends because you can't do it alone. Meanwhile, which one would you choose if money was no object? For me, I'd pick the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Remember to follow, like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss posts like this.